All right, so what we want to talk about is a great little combination of things. It's an all-in-one heavy-duty semi-rigid dryer hookup kit. What I like about this product is the elbows are already attached. It comes with a couple of metal worm drive clamps that are nut driver compatible. And really what we're talking about here is a semi-rigid duct that can expand right up to 8 feet, including the elbows. Now the elbows are such that we can turn that to pretty much give us whatever angle we want on either side. One side is crimped, one side is not. If you happen to notice on the back of your dryer, the exhaust port is already crimped. That's where this part will fasten, and this part will fasten into the tailpiece of the rest of the dryer assembly. Now, it's a heavy-duty semi-rigid. It is UL approved for 2158A, meaning that it goes through some very stringent tests. It needs to pass a puncture test, a fire test, a torsion test, and the fact that you can pretty much create anything out of this. In fact, if a person really needed to, you can sort of go around all sorts of corners, making it a much easier installation. Heavy-duty, semi-rigid dryer hookup kit is a one package, all pieces combined, making it really very simple for the contractor to hook up that new dryer installation.